Yung ko po, galing po to sa mga magulang na mag-aaral. Kasi po, I told them na hayaan nyo, pagdating doon sa hearing, sa budget, i-raise ko to. Kung hindi nyo ako pagsasalitain dito, then...
pinagsasalita naman po kayo.
Hindi, kasi sinasabi, wag daw sagutin.
Hindi, the VP would like to be the one to answer the question.
Okay, thank you. We're teaching these kids to be corrupt when they grow up. How and why? Because they know, and they knew, na yung pag-iingi sa kanilang contribution ay pangingikil.
Sir,
So pag lumaki po itong mga estudyante, makikita nila na okay lang pala yung mangikil kasi si teacher nangikil sa amin.
Number one, you asked the question on how you can help. Paano kayo makatulong na senator na kayo ngayon? Pwede po kayong gumawa ng batas na ipagbawal po ang voluntary contribution sa mga PTAs.
So is there a way na talagang once and for all, since senador na po ako, because I promise na once ako'y maging senador, I'll put a stop of this nonsense. Nung ako po'y wanted sa radyo na broadcaster, of course wala po akong magawa. All I can do is call the authorities and tell them, hey, we have complaints pertaining to this and that. Now that I'm senator and they elected and voted me para mabigyan solusyon itong problema ito na mga magulang na mag-aaral, I have to do something to put a stop to these problems once and for all. Can you guys promise me na mainto na to para ako po'y maging supporter ng inyong budget at hindi ko po kontrahin. Humingi kayo ng 1 trillion pesos for all I care. Kasi alam ko kailangan po ang maayos na budget para sa DepEd. And I firmly believe na kailangan talaga ng DepEd ng pinakamalaking budget among all other agencies because we need to give quality educations to our poor na mga kababayan. Because I believe in who he was less in life should have more in law. So, dapat sa ating batas, bigyan po ng magandang edukasyon, bigyan po ng magandang serbisyo ang mga mayroon nating kababayan. Dito lang po sana sila makakabawi. And I agree, dapat pabawiin natin sila sa pamagitan ng pabigyan ng quality education. Pero how can we give these students quality of education kung kulang-kulang? And then, we're teaching these kids to be corrupt when they grow up. How and why? Because they know and they knew na yung pag-iingi sa kanilang contribution ay pangingikil.
sir,
So pag lumaki po itong mga estudyante, makikita nila na okay lang pala yung mangikil kasi si teacher nangikil sa amin. So paglaki nila, there's the possibility na baka mangikil sila.
okay. Senator Tulfo, your time is up, no? You've been informed that your time is up.
Madam Chair, Your Honor, number one, you asked the question on how you can help. Paano kayo makatulong na senator na kayo ngayon? Pwede po kayong gumawa ng batas na ipagbawal po ang voluntary contribution sa mga PTAs. And then, pwede po nating i-implement yan. May penalties po yung teacher or parent na mag-insist na merong voluntary contribution. Ang mga PTA po, just like all the other associations, are guided by the majority. Kung ano po yung nadedesisyonan ng majority doon sa kanilang association, yun po yung nasusunod. Now, it is a voluntary contribution. Ibig sabihin, hindi po pinipilit yung mga estudyante o yung mga magulang na mag-contribute kung yun man ang nadesisyonan na project ng PTA. Marami po tayong mga stakeholders na iba-iba po yung projects nila sa ating mga paaralan. Hindi lang po mga PTA, but we have NGOs, we have private sector donors who partner with our public schools sa mga specific na projects nila in certain schools. Ganito po din yung ating mga PTA. Pinag-iisipan po ng teachers and ng parents kung paano sila makatulong sa eskwelahan para sa pag-aaral ng mga bata. But then again, as I said, these are voluntary contributions. Pwede po nating ipagbawal. Gagawa po tayo ng batas para po merong penalty.
Madam Chair, pwedeng konti na lamang. Una-una, wala pong kapangyarihan na para ipatigil yan. Pero however, meron pong kapangyarihan ng DepEd na para ipatigil po yung tinatawag na voluntary contributions sa PTA. Now, doon sa questions ko, hindi pa ata nasasagot. Pwede ba pakisabi sa akin paano po na-disburse yung pong MOE, especially doon sa mga chalks, sa mga electric funds. Electric funds palagi every year yan, talamak na talamak. Janitorial, security, repair, CR, varnish. paano po na-distribute from DepEd hanggang sa pagdating sa eskwelahan? Paano nakakarating po yung mga MOE, sir?
Meron po tayong listahan kung saan po pwedeng gamitin yung school MOE. At yung sinasabi niyo pong chalk allowance, meron pong cash allowance ang mga teachers. At ito ay taon-taon na ibinibigay sa mga teachers. Kaya hindi po tama na mag-demand ang PTA na magsusolicit ng contribution from the members of the PTA para mabigyan ng chalk allowance ang mga teachers because meron ngang panukala sa both chambers of Congress na i-increase yung cash allowance to 10,000.
Good. Kasi sir, katulad yan, aside from chalk, floor wax, pintura, varnish, alam ko kasi sa LGU, meron po atang allocated na 1% from the real property tax ata.
Yes, Madam
Go ahead,
Chair, Your Honor, we take note of your advice. You don't answer, you don't sign department orders. We take note of your comments, Your Honor.
Thank you, but Your Honor, they must answer these questions because itong question ko po, galing po to sa mga magulang na mag-aaral. Kasi po, I told them na hayaan nyo pagdating doon sa hearing, sa budget, i-raise ko to. Kung
Yes.
hindi nyo ako pagsasalitain dito, then,
Pinagsasalita naman po kayo.
hindi kasi sinasabi, wag daw sagutin.
Hindi
Ito.
the VP would like to be the one to answer the
Okay,
question.
thank you.
That's my understanding. No, I'm just
Thank you,
moderating
Madam.
for everybody.
Like I said,
The VP wanted to answer instead of her USEC.
Like I said, supporter po ako. Hindi ko po questionin yung budget. Ayaw ko pong bawasan. In fact, I'd like to put it on record. Kung dadagdagan pa yung budget ng DepEd, I will support. Kaya lang, kailangan ko lang po ng mga kasagutan sa ilang katanungan ng mga magulang na mag-aaral. I don't have anything against. In fact,
Yeah.
confidential fund na marami nagka-question, I don't give a heck about that. Walang pakialam dyan. Ang pakialam ko talaga, yung hinain ng mga magulang. Yun lang po talaga. So, paki-answer lang po. Kung sino saan ang gusto
If I
mag-answer.
may, Senator Raffy, the Secretary took the floor earlier and responded that ang suggestion po niya, and correct me if I'm wrong, my understanding from the Secretary is that she said what you could do, because you were asking what you could do now that you're a senator, is to pass a law that would prevent that. Because as far as DepEd is concerned, they have already issued the memorandums that prohibit contributions. Pero yung gustong gawin ng PTA, ng parents, my understanding is that's out of your hands. No, that's out of your hands what the PTA would like to do. Although, I think maybe an assurance that hindi nyo naman ini-encourage talaga yon, di ba? It's not encouraged, it's not, you cannot, they do not mandate it, they follow that. That's my understanding.
Madam Chair, okay, ano kaya tuwing magkaroon ng PTA meeting, nandoon po yung taga-DepEd para i-monitor yung proceedings ng meeting, para pagsabihin ng DepEd, hey, meron na kami memo dyan na bawal ang pag-uusapan ng project, umayos-ayos kayo, ang pag-uusapan nyo lang academic performance ng estudyante. Is that fair enough?
PTA ho means parent-teacher. So may teacher ho na present doon.
Yes.
Madam Chair, Your Honor, we will submit the downloading of MOOE up to the school level to the Finance Secretariat.
At ito na lamang po, Madam Chair, test tube. Hinihingi din po, kasama rin po yung
Pwede
test
bang
tube.
submit natin? Kasi sir, I've reminded everyone who's
Last na lamang po, Madam Chair. Last na lamang.
Sige.
Test tube. Alam ko meron natang 500 billion na budget for the test tube. Parang every year, bilyones ang naalat para sa test tube. Kasi marami rin po ako mga magulang nagreklamo, pinapakontribute para sa test tube, laboratory test tubes. Test tubes, paulit-ulit po. Every year, hinihingihan po ng contribution ng estudyante. Pwede po ba, pa-stop na rin natin yun? Yun lang po. So, stop na po natin. In short, lahat po ng contribution para sa maintenance ng school, ang pakiusap po ng mga magulang, through me, stop na po natin yan. Pag na-stop niyo po yan, I promise you I will support your budget every single year and you will not gonna hear anything from me. That's a commitment. That's a promise. Ito'y alang-alang sa mga magulang na mga lumapit sa akin.
Madam Chair, Your Honor, we take note of the advice of the Honorable Senator Raffy Tulfo.